Hey guys, here's another knot for you. I watched an interesting video the other day and the guy was talking about using paracords instead of carabiners, because you put these on your pack, you're gonna have a bunch of jingling, and if you want to move silently through the wilderness, it makes it a little harder to sneak up on wildlife if you're trying to take a peek. It also saves on weight. And he was showing some sort of like, what are the soft shackles? He had a couple different versions, and it was kind of an interesting idea. But at the same time, I thought to myself, well, if you're going to do something like that, you'd want it to be as efficient or as fast and easy as a carabiner. So I was trying to think of it in a different way, and I've shown this quick release overhand knot, double overhand knot, which is very, very quick and easy. So if you have something like this, you know, of course, this is probably about 22 inches. So if you just pop that through, I know the math doesn't work out right. So if you just have it, pinch it down, pass the wires around, and just pull through, you can make this, and for one, you're not breaking that loop there with anything you're going to be hanging on your backpack. And if you're wanting to just release it, pop it off, and you're done. And if you want to tie it to something, let me see if I can get this. I'll show you guys just into the back of my Jeep here. If you want to tie it to something, same thing. Just pop it around, push that through if you want to tie it to your backpack. But it's interesting that you can pull this out, but you cannot you cannot make that overhand knot pop loose. So just pop it off, boom, and go. You have whatever you're doing. And I want to show you guys another thing. So that's just one. But like at home, if I'm tying up like extension cords or something like that, this is just, I've shown these knots. Basically go about the length of your hand, save that spot, and just pull that loose end through. And I'll show you what you can do with it. Same thing. Now you've made two even loops. So if you pass that through and then just slip one of your loops through, now you take this and you can just wind, depending on the size of an extension cords especially, they're heavy, and now you can take this, and if you have a hook outside or in your garage or whatever, boom, you put it like that, and that's not going to unwind itself due to the tension. I'll leave it at that. Just another knot for you.